How to enter recovery mode on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go over it quick and easy and how you can enter recovery mode on Windows 11. Well, you can either use the settings option or you can use the combination of shift key and restart during boot. Now the setting method involves typically heading over to your start button and opening up settings. Once under settings, we want to head into Windows Update here. Now on Windows 11, you'll get the Windows and security option, right? Update and security. Under it, you want to head into recovery option. As on Windows 10, you can see it's under system and here you can see recovery and you can see here option. However, if you're on Windows 11, you'll get the option update and security, under it recovery, under it advanced startup, and then you want to click restart now. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.